In this video, we'll look at the 10 best drag and drop WordPress page builders. Page builders make it easy to build website pages without writing code. With drag and drop functionality, you can choose any element and place it anywhere with a few clicks. Let's jump into the list. Number 1 is SeedProd. It's our top choice for the best drag and drop WordPress page builder. With its lightning fast visual editor, you can design, build, and customize any website layout without code. Unlike other page builders, SeedProd has a theme builder that lets you create a custom WordPress theme from scratch. You can choose from hundreds of pre-made website templates and customize them easily by pointing and clicking. We've used SeedProd for many projects, including the website you're reading this on. We particularly love its WordPress blocks, which include all the elements needed for a website. They include contact forms, countdown timers, opt-in forms, social media icons, video embeds, and more. There's even a dedicated block for RafflePress giveaways. You can customize these blocks with animations, shape dividers, and even add your own CSS classes. If you only want to create landing pages in WordPress, you can do that as well. SeedProd is theme agnostic, meaning it works independently and is compatible with any WordPress theme. SeedProd's pricing starts at $39.50 for a single site license. You can also try the free version of SeedProd. Number 2 is Thrive Architect from Thrive Theme Suite. This is a front-end drag-and-drop page builder with an impressive user interface. It centers on conversion-focused websites, aiming to provide an easy platform to build and edit any web page. Like SeedProd, Thrive Architect has hundreds of pre-designed templates catering to various needs. You can customize each template without writing a single line of code, and all come with a responsive design. Its design elements include click-to-tweet boxes, styled lists, highlight boxes, testimonials, and other essentials. There are also advanced hover effects, ultra-flexible column layouts, text and image combinations, and more. Thrive Architect is available on a one-time payment of $99. You can also get Thrive Suite with all plugins starting at $299 per year. Number 3 is Divi, the popular WordPress theme and drag-and-drop page builder from Elegant Themes. While the theme and builder work seamlessly together, you can use the page builder on its own to build custom pages without coding skills. It works similarly to SeedProd and Thrive Architect with the what you see is what you get editor and visual interface. You can click anywhere on the page and edit in real time with a live preview of the changes. Divi also has many content modules that allow you to drag and drop various design elements. They include sliders, galleries, audio players, forms, and everything you might need for a fully optimized website. The Divi builder's pricing is straightforward. Instead of a monthly payment model, Divi asks for a yearly subscription or a one-time purchase. The yearly subscription costs $89, while the lifetime plan is $287. Number 4 is Beaver Builder, another popular page builder plugin for WordPress. It makes building flexible page layouts simple and offers an onboarding tour to help you get started. With its drag and drop interface, you can add elements to your page with a few clicks and see the changes in real time. Clicking any element also opens customization options in a user-friendly sidebar. Beaver Builder comes with dozens of editable templates to suit various website niches. You can customize these with modules like sliders, carousels, buttons, content blocks, columns, and more. Beaver Builder's pricing starts at $99 for unlimited sites. Number 5 is Elementor Pro. It's another of the best WordPress page builders with a drag and drop editor. It offers live page building that allows you to see changes to your site as you make them. You can build virtually any type of page, including 404, About Us, and form pages, and customize the widgets to build your ideal design. Like SeedProd, you can use Elementor to build theme elements like headers, footers, and WooCommerce pages. You can also create lightbox pop-ups for added lead generation. The pricing starts at $59 for a single site license. Number 6 is Visual Composer. It's another popular choice of drag and drop page builder. It has a user-friendly platform that lets you build and customize websites without writing code. When you start using Visual Composer's website builder, one of the first things you'll notice is its clean interface. It offers a truly user-friendly experience with what you see is what you get functionality that allows you to drag and drop elements directly onto your page. You can instantly see the changes you made, which makes it easy to design and tweak your website. Visual Composer's pricing starts at $49 per year for a single site license. Number 7 is Themify Builder, the free WordPress page builder plugin with an optional premium version. Like many of the solutions on this list, it offers drag and drop editing with a live preview of your page as you customize it. Whether you want to tweak the headers, add new images, or customize your fonts, all you have to do is point and click. You can even copy and paste modules for faster editing. But what sets Themify Builder apart is its text editing. Unlike traditional options where you perform edits in a sidebar or a pop-up window, Themify Builder lets you do it directly on screen. There is a free version available. The pro version costs $69 per year. Number 8 is Page Builder by SiteOrigin. It's a drag and drop builder that makes content creation easy without sacrificing power or flexibility. With a more modular approach, it provides dozens of widgets to easily build professional page layouts, including social media icons, sliders, and images. You can work in a front-end live editor, giving you a real-time preview of your design, or on the back end for a more traditional WordPress editor. More importantly, SiteOrigin works with any WordPress theme, allowing you to choose the best for your website. SiteOrigin Page Builder is free. You can also get the premium version for $29 per year for one website with optional add-ons. Number 9 is HubSpot Landing Page Builder. HubSpot's free landing page builder helps you make professional landing pages that generate traffic and leads without help from a designer. With a focus on user friendliness, it's an ideal choice for beginners. The builder comes with a variety of mobile responsive and customizable templates. It supports various modules like forms, call to actions, and live chat. Also, HubSpot integrates seamlessly with other marketing tools, allowing you to manage your site and campaigns under one roof. HubSpot's Page Builder is part of its free CMS package, but the paid packages start from $25 per month for more features. And number 10 on the list is Brizy. It's another popular drag and drop page builder that helps you create clean professional WordPress websites. With over 130 site designs and 500 plus blocks, you can build and customize your site in any way you like. With its global styling feature, you can change elements on pages across your whole site at once. This allows you to launch a full redesign without customizing each page individually. There's also an auto-save feature that stores your page as you work on it. This makes it easier for your team to test your page layouts and ensure you create the most user-friendly design. Although there's a free version, you can get the Pro version with more advanced features for $49 annually. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful, and after thoroughly testing and reviewing the solutions in this list, we can conclude that the best drag and drop WordPress page builder is SeedProd. Please visit seedprod.com to learn more, and check out these videos to learn more about RafflePress and how you can include it into SeedProd as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.